Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the project. Open Android Studio, confirm the SDK and Google Play services are installed, then create a Firebase project in the console. Once done, add a new Android app using your exact package name and optionally the debug SHA1. After registration, download the Google services. JSON file and drop it into the app/module root. This step links your app to Firebase and allows authentication services to run securely from your build. Next, you modify Gradle in the project level build. Gradle add the Google Services class path, and in the app level build, Gradle apply the Google Services plugin at the bottom, then add the Firebase Authentication dependency for example implementation COM. Google, Firebase Auth 21.0.1 adjusting the version as needed. Sync the project and watch for errors. Gradle must detect Google Services. JSON. Make sure min SDK and dependencies don't conflict, because mismatched versions often cause runtime auth failures. Finally, implement the authentication code. Instantiate Firebase Auth. Get instance in your activity or view model, then write sign up and sign in methods using create user with email and password and sign in with email and password, handling success and failure in listeners. Add sign out and current user checks to manage UI state. Once implemented, enable the authentication providers you need in the Firebase console and test on a real device. If something breaks, check Logcat for SHA1, Google Services. JSON placement and dependency version mismatches as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.